Good morning. We are going to talk about a recent incident, and that is affiliated with the disqualification of membership of Lok Sabha of Rahul Gandhi. And we should know about this disqualification of Lok Sabha as mentioned in the Representation of the Peoples Act 1951, Section 83, in which there is a provision that if you have been charged for 2 year sentence in any case, then your membership from the parliament disqualified automatically. You can say that you are disqualified automatically from the membership of the parliament, and this verdict was given by Surat Session Court of Gujarat, and still Rahul Gandhi have multiple options that he can put forward this provision, this verdict in higher court, and after higher court he can also appeal in the apex court. And as Kapil Sibal, former leader of the National Congress Party, and honorable advocate of the Supreme Court, said that they have multiple options, so they can take remedy from the higher courts. And if you talk about the parliament, then parliament is the supreme body to decide on legislative matters in the country. And as we know that Rahul Gandhi was from the Wayanad constituency, and so now election commission have option that they can conduct fresh elections for this constituency, and with the charge of this 2 year sentence of Rahul Gandhi can't contest election in coming 6 years. If Rahul Gandhi is to contest election, then he should appeal in the higher court and take stay on conviction, not stay on sentence or suspension of conviction, not suspension of sentence. And if we talk about we should know everything in a nutshell regarding Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha, that is also called lower house, lower chamber of the parliament, and because of the election of members of the Lok Sabha by direct election, it is also called popular house. And in this house, a member is elected that have you can say that criteria, as he is a citizen of India, he or she is a citizen of India, and he or she doesn't have age less than 25 years. And other criteria that are decided by the parliament time to time, and Following these provisions, you can say that lower house, that is upper house, is the most important for the legislative matters. And if we talk about the powers regarding lower house and upper house that is Rajya Sabha, and we know that Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha, and President form the parliament in a whole, and Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha both have equal powers despite regarding money bills, and this is not the same as we talk about Council of Legislative Council or Legislative Assembly regarding states. They are not equal as Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. So we have done this regard, and we will come up with a new topic which will be in the news. So thank you so much.